What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Bowman Adventures video. This week sponsored by A Long Awkward Stare. Well, that was unsettling. Anyways, we headed out to Bird River Trail, just past Lac du Bonny. It's a 2-mile trail, and it was beautiful. We really enjoyed it. We've never been out there, and seeing it in the fall, I'm gonna say it was probably the best time to go. Not that we have been there any other season, but yeah, so come check it out with us. Do you know where we're going this time? Do you care?
It should be falling.
As long as it's folly outside. As long as it's leafy. Orangey, yellowy, leafy. We have arrived. It's very spiky.
Yeah.
This is a super cool ending to this trail. There's nice little falls here. This is getting some pictures down there. Very nice. This is a very cool spot. I think this is a good spot to end the video. Looks like it just opens up again back over there. I think it's just trail back to the car. Successful first fall hike.
Yep. It's a perfect day.
Very nice out. It's just starting to spin a little bit, but that's okay. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thanks to everybody who has been subscribing and watching.
And on to the next one.
On to the next one. Peace. It's raining a little harder now. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. Ah! Tree.
Oh my god.
What the f- Ah! We made it back! Yay!